welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamaya J. Wilson, Tamaya J. May. And I'm so excited because, y'all, I finally got my bundles. Okay, I have been searching and looking for some like legit, well crafted bundles for on a budget, okay? And I was low-key sad because I could not afford to buy bundles from like the black owned people that I really wanted to buy some bundles from. I'm like, I wanted 20, 22, 24, or like 24, 26, 28 inches in a closure. But everyone was trying to charge me like $300, $400 when I know for a fact that they did not pay that much to buy those bundles. Which I'm like, okay, I can't knock anyone's crafts, I can't knock anyone's hustle, but that price range is just not for me. Okay, Boujee budget. Okay, that's my whole persona. So my goal is to spend less than $150 for 3 bundles in a closure. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, I was able to purchase Celie hair, and this is a brand off of AliExpress where I found them. So it comes the hair. It's like I haven't opened it yet. I literally made myself wait to open this package because I wanted to do like a whole unboxing video, whatever. Bag. This could totally be reused, repurposed for something else, which I probably will use repurpose for traveling or just reuse for like other hair accessories. So we're gonna literally just dive right into this. So first opening it, there's lots of stuff in here. So I got my bundles, and this is just how it's packaged. So 20 inches, and it says 100% human hair, and it has their name on it, so Celie. And looking at the weft like itself, that's a pretty nice weft. Pretty nice size. So that's a 20 inch. This is the 24. Like that's pretty nice bundle weft. And this is 22. And all are just like pre-packaged. Okay, so that's for bundles. 20, 22, 24. All nice with. Okay, so those are like the actual bundles. And then I also got a 18-inch 4x4 a 14-inch, no, excuse me, 18-inch 4x4 closure, 3-part natural, 18-inch. So see that, see at the back, reform. It's supposed to be pre-plucked and stuff and bleached, but I mean, I can't really tell just from looking at it like this. So that's that. I'm making a wig. Well, I'm not making a wig. My friend who has been doing my hair recently, Tia, she's gonna be making my wig. So I can link her social media because she did my braids for my Puerto Rico trip. And it was, I mean, last minute because I was like, somebody canceled on me. And I was like, I need my hair done right now, literally. So we leave tomorrow morning. So yeah, she came through and did my braids. So shout out to her for always hooking a sister up. And when I watched somebody else's unwrapping video, I don't think they have this. Oh, this is cute. It says hand mirror. Hand mirror. So that's really cute. So thank you. Now I'm gonna like open like one bundle and feel the quality and the wefting. Just so you guys can get an idea. This is literally just like my first impression. Once my wig is made and I wear it for like a month. Just so you know, this is like legit. I spent my own hard-earned coins. Okay, my coins. Okay, and I don't like spending more than, you know, 150. Like, that's like the max I give myself to spend on like fun stuff. Besides like playing airplane tickets, like I'll spend $300 on an airplane ticket. But if you get an international ticket, okay, I'm not paying more than $120 for domestic. So I'm going up to 24 inches. So like literally, it is pretty long too. And I've never bought like nice bundles. No, I lied. I bought you nice hair like ever. Period. 20 inches, I think. Like, I think that was the longest I got. And I mean, I bought you nice hair in like sophomore year of college, sophomore year of undergrad. I mean, I've used that hair for a long time. I still have it. I had somebody make it into a wig for me. So that's like my go-to like struggle wig. I gotta put a hat on with that one because that wig construction just was not that great. But I mean, protective styling essentially. So already, like, just opening this, of course it comes like little net, but just opening this, wow, if I can get it off. So just opening this, ooh. And I wanted body wave because I really wanted a wig that was gonna look like, you know, like luxurious, like waves, body waves on wigs, like fire. So that's the weft. I think it looks pretty good, like all the way down. Even like initially, like no shedding really. Yeah. And yeah. So thank you for watching this pre-video on how I like the Thank you for watching this unboxing video of Celie hair. And it doesn't smell. It actually does not smell bad at all. But you like shipped from China. So we're gonna see. I'm definitely gonna wash it before I give it to my friend to make. I'm so excited to get my wig made and to wear this. I'm gonna be bad. And people gonna be hating on me, I already know. But it's okay. You can buy you some Celie bundles too and be cute. And I'm gonna be like, yes, queen. I won't judge you. So anyway, thank you for tuning in. I hope you subscribe, like, give this video a heart if you loved it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. I really hope you didn't give it a thumbs down, but in the case that you do not like it, leave your honest opinion. I will be bringing new content, new stuff, more music, more tips for traveling. So be on the lookout for those. You know, you can do the buzzer, whatever they say, whatever those people say. Turn on the buzzer little alerts to be the first to know about my new videos. I'm doing my best to get myself together to get them out there. So for you guys, so yeah, thanks for tuning in and just for the love and support. Thanks guys. Peace and blessings.